Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine in this pandemic situation. Today we're going to learn how to make a shape file, a point shape file basically, from an Excel file. So let's get started. There are 4 columns in this file. One is X coordinate and one is Y coordinate. At least these 2 columns you must needed to make a point shape file, and other associated column can be incorporated in this file. In this case, other 2 columns are cal ID or canal ID, and another one column is water level ID. So if we want to make a shape file of this Excel file, we must save this Excel file as XLS format, which is a 97 to 2003 format actually, which supported by ArcGIS 10.1 to 10.5. So up to 10.5 you must have a XLS file, not XLSX file. You can't load the point on GIS interface of XLSX file. You must have XLS file. If you have XLSX file, you have to save as XLS file. And suppose this is my file. Now this is just remember this name 2100 RCP 8.5. Okay, yeah, it's opened. So cancel. Okay, this is my interface of Arcmap. Now I want to load the points of from an Excel file. To do that, click on File, then Add Data, add XY data. Click on Browse. Go to your desired location where Excel file is located. In my case, the Excel file is on here. Suppose this is my Excel file. In the first sheet, all the attributes are there. So double click on it, and the X field and Y field will come automatically if the header is written properly or in a proper way. You can give the Z level or you can omit, it depends on you, but whether you give or not, it will come on the attribute table of the shapefile, so not to worry about it. So the coordinate system of the Excel file of the XY is BTM average Bangladesh. You have to define it, or whatever the coordinate system that you are using for your file, you will use that coordinate system. In my case, the coordinate system is BTM, so I'm using it. Okay. See, all the points have just have been loaded here. See, it is just events. It's not a shape file. You have to convert it as a shape file. To convert it as a shape file, just right click on here and go to data and export data. Select the location you want to save the shape file. In my case, tutorial. Yeah, I want to keep the shape file, so it is my water level. Okay. Say a pop-up message has just appeared. Do you want to add the exported data to the map as a layer? If you click on yes, the shapefile will be added on the layers. If you don't click on yes, or if you click on no, then it will not appear in the layers which is in the table of the contents in this Arcmap interface. But shapefile already created, so you can use the shapefile from your desired location or where have you just saved. Okay, this is my shape file. Remove it. If you want to see the attribute table, just check it. See, we have four columns. We had four columns. One is X, Y, and col and water level. All the columns are there, so no worries about it. That's how we can make a shapefile, point shapefile from an Excel file. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.